Today, we are going to explore Rionix's User Management Tool, a program designed to help you quickly configure and update your SCADADroids. This video will go over the basic features of the program. Rionix has developed this program, the User Management Tool, to help you configure multiple SCADADroids at once, rather than changing each one individually. There are two videos following this overview, one for configuration and one for updating SCADADroids. To add one or more SCADADroids to the program, click on the Workspace tab and then the Add Unit button. You can choose to add an individual unit, a range of units, a unit from a CSV file or network scan, or you can load a configuration file from your computer to use as a template. When the unit is added to the program, it will show up in the Workspace section here. The default name is SCADADroid and the default IP address is 192.168.1.15. This particular unit has a unique name and an IP address, as you can see in the Workspace section and above the main tab on the right. If the unit's name is in green, then that means that the SCADADroid is online. If it is white, then the SCADADroid is offline. Once all of your units are added to the program, you can save the group as a workspace. Doing this will keep the current configuration backed up for all the SCADADroids. Should you ever want to restore a unit after you change its IP address, you can upload the configuration for the unit and it will populate all the information here. When you are using MQTT on the User Management Tool, you also need to upload the certificates. When you restore a backup using the SCADADroid backup utility on the SCADADroid's website right here, it does not restore the certificates. The SCADADroid unit does. If you have certificates that expire, this program is a great way to update all your SCADADroids without logging into each unit's website. You can also create groups within the User Management Tool. For example, click on the Workspace tab, hover over the Group section, and click Add Group. A dialog box will appear with the option to check off which SCADADroids you want in the group. We'll call this group Hawaii and include both units. Click Add and the group will be placed under the New Workspace section. One topic that isn't covered in the other two configurations is that you can synchronize the tags. The tags here are not configured, but you can choose how many hours back to go. This is configured. Every time a SCADADroid updates, if it has a tag, the unit and the tag store a value. There are 32 gigabytes of storage on the SCADADroid, so we can select the tag, or multiple tags, set the number of hours we want to go back, and the graph here will plot the data we selected. This is handy if you have, for example, a lift station and you want to plot the flow versus pump status. You can see when an event happens and how it corresponds to the other tags in the system. For review, click the Tools tab for access to the configuration setup, firmware updates, and the network scanner. In future updates, we will be adding the Modbus client, ping unit, and modem terminal connection options here. So that concludes our brief overview of the SCADADroid User Management Tool. For more information about configuration and firmware updates, please go to our website and then click on Support Videos. There you will find tutorial videos for the User Management Tool, as well as videos for other topics related to Rionix's SCADADroid. Thank you for watching.